5th of July 2021. Now, what was the address again?
Ulvajankatu 3 to 5.
Yeah, Ulvajankatu 3 to 568 here in Valkeakoski, Finland. Request these 4 personal train platforms. It's a point paper contract elevator with NP6 fixtures. We will also go to the stage speaker. They are open during daytime here. And this is amazing. Well, in 1970 actually. So 50 years old in last year, 2020. The serial number says 18290. It will be inspected in 2023. But this has 2 rights.
Yeah.
There's another similar one, but it's locked off. And then between them, there's one which there from the 1970s. Those two we can also try. We should also try them.
Yeah.
But I think first we should go to the yellow building install.
Yeah.
Interesting that the stop button is black here.
Yeah.
You don't see it so often. Usually it's red.
Yeah. Inspected by device that maintained by Schiller.
Yeah. Okay, we'll come first. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the next video.
That's